Hi, I am Kate from LevelUp, and today I will show you how to upload the WordPress plugin via the FTP. The easiest way to install a plugin is from the WordPress Dashboard, but due to some issues, however, you may be in need of a manual installation. But before we go there, I will show you first how to upload the plugin via the WordPress Dashboard. First, you need to download the plugin from the source, which will be a .zip file. Then next, you need to go to the WordPress admin area and visit Plugins, then Add New. After that, click on the Upload Plugin button on the top of the page. This will bring you to the plugin upload page. Here, you need to click on the Choose File button and select the plugin file you downloaded earlier to your computer. After you have selected the file, you need to click on the Install Now button. WordPress will now upload the plugin file from your computer and install it for you. You will see a success message like this after installation is finished. Once installed, you need to click on the Activate Plugin link to start using the plugin. So that was the easiest way to upload the plugin. However, in some cases, your WordPress hosting provider may have file restrictions that could limit your ability to install a plugin from the admin area. If you face a situation like that, you can always install a plugin manually via an FTP program like FileZilla. But before any plugin installation, it's advisable to back up your WordPress site completely so that you have nothing to worry about in case something goes wrong. For a manual install of a plugin, just follow these steps. First of all, download the plugin to your computer. Then extract the plugin folder to your desktop. Open the FTP client on your computer and connect to your website using the login credentials provided by your web host. Once connected, you need to access the path wp-content/plugins. Next, upload the folder you extracted from the zip file to the wp-content/plugins folder on your web server. After uploading the files, you need to visit the WordPress admin area and click on the plugins link in the admin menu. You will see your plugin successfully installed on the plugins page. And for a summary, here is how to install a plugin manually via the FTP. First, download the plugin. Then launch the FTP FileZilla. Navigate to the wp-content folder. Then drag the plugin folder to the wp-content/plugins. Then log in to your WordPress dashboard and activate the plugin. So that's how you can install a WordPress plugin manually via the FTP. Thank you for watching!